Hey everyone, welcome back to PeasyMaster. In this video, I'll show you how to get a free Claude alternative with access to multiple AI models in just a few clicks. First, open your favorite web browser. Next, go to Google and search for Arena AI, then click on the first official result to open the website. You can create a free account if you're asked to sign in. Once you're on the platform, you'll see a chat interface where you can choose from different AI models. Click on the model selector and browse the available options. Depending on what's currently available, you can choose models like Claude Sonnet 4.6, GPT models, Gemini, and many others. The list of available models may change over time as the platform updates its offerings and free access. After selecting your preferred model, simply type your prompt and start chatting. It's a great way to try different AI models without paying for separate subscriptions. And that's all. That's how you can use Arena AI to access multiple AI models for free. Like and subscribe to PeasyMaster for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.